What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you how to draw Cyborg from Teen Titans Go. Let's begin today's lesson at the top of our page and draw two large circles for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left. We'll start from the very top, come all the way down towards the bottom, and we'll bring that back up towards the top. Let's leave a gap in between the eyes and draw the same size circle on the right. So we're going to start by lining up the top, come all the way down, and then back up towards the top. Let's pull the left pupil towards the inside. So we're going to start on the inside edge of the eye, curve all the way around. I'm just going to draw a circle, come down, and then in towards the bottom. Let's add a highlight on the top left side. Draw a straight angle line coming down and in. Angle that back out. Now let's fill the inside of the pupil in black. Now from here we move to the center and draw on the nose. We'll start with a point in the middle, angle this up and out towards the left eye, and then the right eye. And then from the side, draw a short angle line going up and in on the side of the nose. Let's move down and draw the top edge of the mouth. We're going to start underneath the left eye, curve the mouth coming down, and then back up. Let's go back to the left side, draw the bottom of the mouth, coming down, and then up. Let's draw two lines coming down on either side. And then we'll fill the corners of the mouth in black. Now I just want to separate the teeth along the side, coming down and bending that in. Now from here we're going to draw the side of the head. From the outside of the left eye, let's step out, come straight down. I'm just going to bend that in towards the chin. Let's go all the way over towards the right. Do the same thing, coming down and then bending that in. Let's connect the jaw with a curve. We're going to come down the middle and then bend that back up. Now I'm going to go back to the left side and draw the top of the head. We're going to go up, round up the side, coming in towards the middle, go over towards the right, round up the head, and then come back down. Let's add in that chin piece. On the side, draw two straight angle lines coming up and in towards the mouth. Close off the top with a curve. Now let's go all the way up towards the top in the center. Draw a straight line coming down in between the eyes. Draw a straight line going across in behind the right eye. Let's go over towards the right side, bend this out and then down. I'm just going to curve this down and then in towards the chin. Let's add another line going across. And we'll add the eyebrows along the top. Let's start on the left, draw a straight line coming down. I'm just going to line this up on the right. From the bottom, bend the eyebrow going out and then down towards the side. Go up to the top, draw the top edge of the eyebrow, just taper down towards the outside. Now I'm going to go back and fill the inside of the eyebrows. Now I'm going to place the ears on the side of the head. Let's start over on the left, bend this up, round up the ear, come down and then in towards the side. Let's line this up on the right, going up, down, and then in. Now I'm going to add a fold along the inside of the ear. Now we're going to move down and draw on the side of the body. Let's start from the jaw. Just going to curve the side of the chest going out and then in. Let's draw two straight angle lines coming down and in. And then close off the inside with a curve, going up the middle and then back down. Let's draw the lower half of the body. From the side, angle down and in, and then we'll round out the bottom. Let's go back and add some detail to the body. We're starting with a curve along the top, and go up, and then down. Then from the side, bend this down, and then in. From the top, let's draw two straight angle lines going up and out towards the side of the body. Let's draw the bottom edge of the collar, coming down the middle, and then bend that up. Let's add a trim on the inside, going up and in. Now let's add some detail to the lower body. From the side, angle this down and in, and then we'll round out the bottom. Let's draw a straight line coming down the center. Now from the outside, bend this out and then up, and we'll fill the outside of the body in black. Now let's draw on the legs. We're going to leave a gap in the center, go to the left side, draw a straight angle line coming down and out towards the knee, go to the right, and do the same thing. From the knee, we're going to bend the leg coming in and then down towards the heels. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. Starting on the left, bend the foot coming down and then up. And then we'll connect the outside of the foot to the inside with a half circle. Let's go all the way up towards the top of the foot, and then bend that back down. Let's add a trim along the bottom, curving down and then up. Now from the knee, draw a straight line going out towards the outside of the leg. Bend this out and down on top of the feet. Let's draw on the knees. From the outside of those lines, draw two straight lines going up. And we'll round out the top. Now from the outside of the knee along the top, bend the leg going up and then in underneath the body. Let's fill the top of the legs. Now we're going to go all the way back up to the top and draw on the shoulders. Let's start from the left side of the body. So we curve this down and then out. Let's line this up on the right. Going down and then out. Let's round out the side of the shoulders, going out and back in towards the top. And then for the top of the shoulders, go up and then down in behind the side of the head. Let's add a circle in the center of each shoulder. Draw a smaller circle in the center, and then we'll fill that in black. Let's add a half circle on the outside of the shoulders. Now we're going to tuck the arms in underneath the shoulders. Let's start from the side of the body, bend the arm going out, and then down towards the wrist. Do the same thing on the right. From the wrist, draw a small half circle for the thumb. Close off the end with a bracket. Now we're going to add 3 fingers on either side. Let's start from the bottom of the thumb. We're going to come down, bend that up around the bracket. Step down, draw on the second finger, going down and up. And then the third finger, we go out, bend the arm going up, and then in underneath the shoulder. Let's separate the wrist. Start from the top of the thumb, curl this down, and then back up on the outside. And then we'll go back up to the outside of the arm along the top, bend this in and then down. And come straight in towards the inside of the arms. Let's fill the top of the arms in black. Let's add a trim across the wrist. From here, we're going to step up, curl this down, and then in. Let's move up and draw that again. Let's add that panel on the outside of the arm, coming down and then out, in behind the trim. Let's finish off by signing our art and adding a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Cyborg from Teen Titans Go. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop your requests in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.